Hello from Gardening at Douentza here in Ireland. And any of you who are watching a number of different horticultural channels on YouTube will have noticed recently that there's been a bit of an infestation going on. And basically a certain grow light called Spider Farmer is cropping up on everybody's channel. Now, at first I thought, my goodness, that's a bit of a scary name, but actually it's good because it means you're going to remember the name of the grow light. And today I have something a little bit different for you because I'm not just doing the normal unboxing. Oh no, I have a free grow light as a giveaway for one of you. So stay tuned, watch the unboxing and find out how you can get one absolutely free. And here we are with a parcel I received in the post, which is my Spider Farmer grow light, and we're going to unbox it together. So I've just removed the tape, opened the tape, and now I'm putting it down here, and we are going to go in and have a look at this wonderful grow light. And I guess there are a number of points that really struck me as selling points for this particular light as opposed to others. And the first, of course, has got to be the spectrum, the light spectrum that this one uses. So for example, we've got sunlight. It uses a sunlight spectrum of lights, whereas normally what happens is the blue and the red are the ones that are utilized by grow lights. The purple lights, and this gives a very unnatural result for your plants. So that's the first thing. And the second thing, of course, is that while this grow light uses 100 watts, it actually gives a yield of 1,000 to 1,200 watts. So that's great. It means it costs less, but the result is more light for your plants. Other features that really struck me, goodness, I guess we might note that this is very well wrapped. Other features that struck me are that it's waterproof, so you could use this in a greenhouse. Also, it seems to be dimmable, so you can switch down the amount of light that your plants are getting, and that's very important for me since I had problems with my last grow light in that respect. We'll see how that function works. Whoops. And all right, let's have a look here before I continue. We've got a tape measure. Okay, I guess that might be useful for monitoring how far to put the light away from the plants. These are for hanging it up. And I guess that's the plug. And here, oh, we have some plant labels, always handy. Here we have the Spider Farmer grow light. And you can see clearly the name across there, Spider Farmer. You're not going to forget that name in a hurry. And here is my light switched on, and as you can see, it's really very bright, a very powerful light. And I'm going to switch it off now because we don't want to blind anybody while I continue with the good facts about this Spider Farmer grow light. And as you can actually see or hear more precisely, it has absolutely no noise, completely silent, which is a definite plus in its favour. I will say that there is some heat here coming from the light, so that could be a positive or a negative. If you're growing cool orchids under this, then that mightn't be so good, but if you're growing cattleyas, a bit of additional heat in my climate anyway is not a bad thing at all. It's a definite plus. So as you can see, this is a high quality but very powerful light, and with orchids we don't need that much light. There's a real danger of burning, and one of the main selling points for me for this light is that it's dimmable, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. So I'm going to switch off the light and we are going to unscrew this stuff here on the back of it. So if you come in and have a look there, and we can see that this casing at the back is held on with 4 screws, there, there, and the 2 at the back. And we're going to unscrew them, which is easy enough to do. Oops. Phillips head screwdriver. So here we are unscrewing the second of the 4 screws and the ones at the back. And here. Now the thing is with this light, what you need to do is decide beforehand, I guess, how much wattage you want and adjust it and then try it. And if you need to adjust it again, you can, of course. Alright, so we're lifting this off, and what we're presented with here is this little hole here, which is just covered with a kind of waterproof button that just lifts off. Should just pop out. Okay, and now on the inside is the switch that can be switched with a Phillips head screwdriver. And now I'm back with a tiny little screwdriver, Phillips head, and I'm going to use this to adjust and dim the light. So just put that in there and feel your way. And then very gently, you don't want to break it, turn to the left. And I can actually see that the light is dimming ever so slightly now. And I don't know how dim it will allow me to. I think that might be max. And if we turn it the other way, it gets brighter. So that's how you dim your spider farmer light. And a very positive selling point for this particular light is its lifespan. So it has a 50,000 hour lifespan. And what does that mean? It means if you run the light every day for 12 hours a day, it's going to last you more than 11 years. So that's a long length of time, and it has a 3-year warranty. Well, I'm sure you're dying to know how you can get your hands on one of these grow lights. And I will say, if you absolutely can't wait, then check the details in this video and you will find a code that you can use to get a discount on your purchase of this light. However, I'm doing a giveaway for one of these lights, absolutely free, to one lucky winner. So what you need to do to be eligible and in for a chance to win one of these lights is you need to subscribe to my channel, very, very important, and you need to jot down below what you would use this Spider Farmer grow light for if you were to win it. And also, I must tell you that this competition is eligible to viewers who are in the United States, who are in Canada, who are in Germany, who are in the UK, and also those who are in Ireland. So if you're in one of those countries, please do take part. Let us know what you would use this fantastic grow light for. So that was my review and unboxing of the Spider Farmer grow light SF1000, which I hope you found useful, and of course my fantastic giveaway, which you really must take part in. I hope you liked the video. I hope you'll take part in the giveaway. And also, when you're taking part down below, do please mention what country you're in. Thanks very much for watching, and well, check back soon to see how I use this light in my grow space. Bye!